How to learn to sing high notes with a single exercise. This exercise will help us reach high notes with the chest register. Welcome to my Singing Lessons from Scratch channel. I am Natalia Bliss, a singer, pianist and vocal technique teacher. If you like my content and want to support me, subscribe to this channel, activate the notification bell and also follow me on my Instagram Bliss Natalia. It's my English channel. You also have my channel available in Spanish, Natalia Bliss, clases de canto desde cero. This exercise is not a basic exercise. You need a certain level of preparation. Above all, you need to know how to breathe correctly and master the twang technique. If you don't master it yet, I recommend you first watch my free playlist for beginners, which I leave here in the corner. This exercise will help us reach high notes with the chest register. What do we need? First, good costodiaphragmatic breathing. We need anchoring and we need respiratory support. It's not a breathy sound, it's a very well projected sound. Second, we need oral twang so that our sound doesn't get stuck in the throat but resonates directly in the resonators. So, find this sound. First nasal twang. No, 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 no. Then oral twang. No, 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 no. Keep your throat free and open, avoiding the sensation of an excessively high larynx that strangles your throat. Maintain the pharyngeal space. To achieve this, you can imagine you have something hot in your mouth or that you are very surprised. The sensation of a wide throat. We will do glissando exercises with chest voice and the vowel E. We will slide smoothly. The goal is to launch the sound into the nasal resonator using the oral twang. Imagine you're calling someone and say, "Hey! Hey!" Another super important detail. You have to open your mouth very well. The jaw has to be very relaxed. The vowel E, in terms of vocalization, will become A. So, don't do it like this, but like this. I want a good opening to avoid blockage in the throat area. Don't do it like this. We are sliding. The mouth is open. Keep going a little more. Just the male voice. The mouth is open.
El sonido es grande. Vamos. Un poco más.
Very good. You can practice this exercise reaching your chest voice limit. Remember that as we go up to the higher notes, we have to apply more twang and direct our sound to the resonator. That's why, instead of sounding like this and feeling like the throat is closing, remember again the oral twang based on a baby's cry. You have to direct the sound to the twang, to the cry, towards the crying.
Llorandolo.
It's not a sound that resonates in the throat. It's a sound that starts inside the nasal cavity. Try again. Start from the middle notes and try to project the sound towards the nasal resonator. Let's practice again. We start with the female voice. Now you. Keep going. The male voice also sings lower. We continue with both voices.
Vamos. Un poco más.
Now just the male voice.
Masculino. El llanto. Respira bien. Y un poco más llorando. Hey, hey.
If you want to find more vocal exercises, I recommend watching my free playlist, Best Vocal Warm-Up. I'll leave it here in the corner. I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep practicing and improving your vocal technique. And as always, I wish you to enjoy music and enjoy your voice. Kisses!